everyone, I hope you have an amazing day. Today's drawing is inspired by one of the shoots during my Japan trip last year. We were very lucky to board into Genbi Shinkasen during our import to Ichigo, Yuzawa. Genbi Shinkasen is an art gallery train that designed in a way that different cabin has their own theme. The theme covers photograph, display arts, cafe, and this big playground for children. The children get to play and build their Lego train. I can imagine many fantastic stories built by them. As an adult, it will be great and refreshing for me to get myself thrown into my own imagination world and doing some playing as children. I think I was so inspired and thought of translate my thoughts, emotion and memories through this sketch and coloring. I start with the basic sketch, followed by applying first basic background colors, and then slowly to mix some white color to have more harmony feel. Also help to blend my colors nicely. And slowly I'm making more layers to my foundation colors and make it more vibrant and more outstanding. I really enjoy the process of drawing. It was like an therapy for me, and I feel very calm after each drawing session. Lastly, I apply final stroke to the colors by using my black ink and brush. I really love how the black ink to give another kind of personality and characters to my drawings. It makes it more outstanding and have their own feeling as well. And it was like giving another energy pump into my drawing. Lastly, I really appreciate your time for watching. Please comment below if you like to share with me any train experience. And wish you have a good day. Goodbye.